What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. My name is Tyler and we are here at the Westgate at Coco Beach, and we're going to be giving you a guide to this hotel, showing you a little bit around this property, showing you what you can do here, showing you the accommodations, plus we're going to tell you a little bit of Coco Beach and more. I'm not sure if you remember a while back on this channel, but we did come here back in 2020. We're now down here in Coco Beach.
The kitty. That's why there was a blooper right there. Ooh boy.
And yeah, by the way, you saw a few of those clips. That wasn't exactly the best video, so this time we're going to redo it. But first, we gotta tell you the reason why this hotel is simply amazing. So this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the main reason why you book this hotel, is because of the beautiful Coco Beach. So here's the deal, we'll get back to the beach in just a moment at the end of the video, but for now it's time to check out all the amazing amenities you have here at the Westgate Coco Beach.
So now we are inside our accommodation here at the hotel, and right here is the kitchen slash living room. On the left side of the room you have your couch area, and on the right side you have your kitchen. Located here you have an electric stove, you have a full fridge, you also have a nice seating nook along with a microwave. And now we're heading down the hallway to the master bedroom. Inside this master bedroom you have a huge bed, which is perfect for making those vacation memories. You also have a sink and a nice shower. Now moving into the other bedroom, it is split into two, so you can house the kiddos or your best friends. And right next to that, you have the main bathroom located here that features two sinks and a shower and a tub.
All right, well, I think you've seen enough of this hotel room. Let's go ahead and head outside. All right. Oh, and yes, by the way, it is completely dark outside. We'll show you the rest of this place, like the pool, a little bit later, but first we gotta go to the bar. And if you're wondering, no, I'm not getting something to drink.
And here at the poolside bar, you cannot ask for a better way to end the day with the ocean breeze blowing through. Alrighty, good morning everyone. Today we're kicking off a tour outside this little patio area next to the pool. And now we're going to be heading over to the main check-in lobby facility. Now before you get there, you're going to pass the majority of the parking spaces located here. Now note that when you do check in, parking is very, very limited here. So now we're finally going to head inside of the check-in facility. Located here, there also is a gift shop, of course, if you need to purchase anything. And now we're going to take the elevator upstairs. Now upstairs, there is nothing but timeshare presentations.
So now we are outside of the hotel area now here. There's some bike racks right here. Alrighty, we are now at the Westgate Pool Complex, and located here is some grills way over there. And right over here, they have a jacuzzi. They also have a few other pools, such as a normal pool, but we're gonna continue walking down this way now. Alrighty guys, we are now at the Westgate Pool Complex in front of the kiddie splash zone, and my goodness, I don't wanna get wet here, but this is a cool place to take the kiddos and enjoy some of this crazy water activities here. They got a big drench bucket, which is going off right now as we speak. Oh, I just got a little bit wet here. So let's go head over to Lazy River now. All right, we are now located here at the Lazy River. We're doing this video right now. It's actually a packed place right now.
Like and subscribe.
Alrighty, we made it to Coco Beach at sunset. Now let's head to Tyler in the past and check up on the daytime activities here outside the Westgate Coco Beach. So now we're back here at Coco Beach, the beautiful, legendary Coco Beach. Of course, down that way to the right is the one, the only, the Westgate Coco Beach Pier, world famous pier. You see a lot of surfing and stuff that happens down there. Now in front of this hotel does offer rental services for chairs and things like that, so do not fear. Now note, if you're not an owner of this hotel, you do have to pay, I think, like 15 bucks a day, and you can get some of those chairs over there. Now no, you can bring your own and be just off. Again, perfect beach, a really beautiful beach at that.
Thanks for watching the video. Please consider hitting the subscribe button and clicking the bell so you'll be alerted about new videos when they come out.